Okay, we are not getting Nalin now. Let's just go to Harsh.
No, I just wanted to come in with a small comment on this, Abhishek. As you are seeing these pictures there, it's truly remarkably childish, but it's also pre-planned. Earlier this morning, we saw the pictures of Rahul Gandhi at, when he was confronted on Narwane, and Priyanka Vadra was also confronted on Narwane. Clearly, I believe that yesterday's interview by Narwane has exposed Rahul and Priyanka to an extent that they do not believe that they have an answer. It has completely unnerved them. That's the word I would use as well. Now they needed something to distract attention from the Narwane interview, and that is why Rahul Gandhi has organized this shirtless protest. But look at this. This brings infamy not to the government, not to the country. It brings further infamy to the Congress party itself. Because the nature of the protest, what are you achieving? You're saying you're protesting the Indo-US nuke deal. You can do that in India Gate. But the fact that you went to the AI summit, the fact that you went to Bharat Mandapam, means that you did the same Shaheen Bagh experiment. When you know there's a global event going on and everyone's eyes are here, you deliberately have tried to drag attention by saying, take off your shirts. Go there and take off your shirts. And I have been told that this was all masterminded by Rahul Gandhi himself. This shirtless protest at the AI summit is perhaps, in my view, without doubt, the lowest point of Rahul Gandhi's political non-career so far, where he has said that take off your shirts. Do anything to grabs the attention. You know, while we are talking about AI and robotics and advanced applications and enterprise AI, we have a situation today in this country where we have to put up with this juvenile called Rahul Gandhi on moments like this. So I just wanted to come in with a comment because I'm infuriated at this. If he cannot answer the Narwane question, he can't distract attention from Narwane by doing this shirtless protest himself. I think the day is not...
We are not going to let him do that.
We won't let him do that. We must keep the focus on Narwane as well. This is an attempt, in my view, at dragging attention away from that. You carry on, I'll see you. Thank you.
Thank you. So, going back to Harsh, I think Harsh is there live from Bharat Mandapam. Harsh, coming back to you, what is police telling you? Have these people been arrested, detained, questioned, and what are they telling? How did they come in?
Well, right, Abhishek. In fact, we have been on the venue for almost all days here. This was supposed to be the last day at the event here in Bharat Mandapam. However, the event has been extended for one more day. Now, what we see so far is that the entry here at the venue is very strict. No one is allowed without a proper access that is being without a proper registration that has been closed a few days back. So this should be, in all possibility, a deliberate attempt. You know, this must have been a planned move to enter inside the venue, and this protest must have been planned in advance because the protocols, the security protocols here at the venue are quite strict, and the Youth Congress members barging into the AI summit and protesting, organizing a shirtless protest isn't possible without prior planning. This is there is no official information from the police, at least at this hour. However, we are trying to get some inputs from them, but the latest breaking that is coming in, that all of these protesters have been
there
detained
is a clear ideological position being taken. Harsh, stay with us. I'm just going through some of the posts that have come in. Are these posts of the Indian Youth Congress? Surbhi, can you tell? Is this Indian Youth Congress? Indian Youth Congress saying when foreign policy leans corporate pressure? Is this Youth Congress saying? Okay, this is Indian Youth Congress saying when foreign policy leans corporate pressure and silence prevail, then it's clear PM Modi is compromised to expose this very truth, the fearless workers. Okay, so this is clearly mea culpa. This is clearly ownership of the ugly protest, topless protest being carried out by the Youth Congress. This is from official handles of the Youth Congress, and they are putting out complete ownership of what they have done at the venue, including video, including giving an ideological spin. Clearly an attempt, as Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami said, to distract from the story, which is Rahul Gandhi having egg on his face for having used General Naravne to attack the government, and General Naravne calling his bluff. Okay, Congress leader Udit Raj joins us over the phone. Udit Raj, you are watching these pictures, ugly pictures of Youth Congress protesters inside AI summit. Is this not compromising India's standing in the Committee of Nations, Udit Raj, for the petty politics that Congress seems to be playing with AI summit, an international event?
this is not an event, it is a political PR. In fact, Modi show is not AI. So what is wrong in it if they are protesting because politics?
You are saying when the world is watching, Udit Raj, sorry I'm interjecting, but I'll let you speak. The world is watching, it is Artificial Intelligence Technology Summit. It is not BJP event. It is not even government event. It is international event. Mr. Udit Raj, did you get my question? This is not a party event, BJP event. This is not even Government of India as such event. This is international summit being hosted by Government of India. 20 world leaders. Okay, we lost the line there with Udit Raj. He was justifying it. He was saying this is a party event. Nalin Kohli is back with us, BJP spokesperson. Nalin Kohli, ugly pictures coming out of AI summit. Not only that, Congress, Youth Congress taking complete ownership of those pictures, saying that these are revolutionaries, calling these protesters revolutionaries, calling them as part of an ideology. Nalin Kohli, how do you see this? Nalin, are you there? I want to confirm first that you are there. Nalin, are you getting me? Okay, I go to Harsh now. Harsh is there at the venue. It seems that, the Congress spokespersons do not really want to come online and, defend this. But on the social media, they are posting these pictures. They are claiming ownership. I read for you the line that the Congress party is taking officially. And they are saying that this is revolution. These are revolutionaries. And how they are revolutionaries? Because they are taking on the government. They are saying that this is party event. That's what Udit Raj said. And they would have planned it in advance. They would have thought about it, because entry into the AI summit is not without a QR code. You cannot go inside the summit venue without a QR code. You have to register then only, and there are multiple security checks. So how did these people, carry these T-shirts? Were they wearing something above and on those T-shirts to avoid scrutiny? Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP joins us over the phone. Shehzad, clearly a case of the Congress party. We have Shehzad Poonawalla's soundbite, first reaction. Let's listen to it.
कांग्रेस ने एक बार फिर से साबित कर दिया कि उनके लिए एआई, एम्बिशियस इंडिया, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, एस्पिरेशनल इंडिया या आत्मनिर्भर इंडिया नहीं है। इनके लिए एआई एंटी इंडिया है। ये आईएनसी नहीं, ये एएनसी, एंटी नेशनल कांग्रेस है। एआई समिट की पूरी दुनिया में वाहवाही हो रही है। प्रेसिडेंट मैक्रोन से लेकर यूनाइटेड नेशन सेक्रेटरी जनरल तक, टेक कंपनीज के टॉप हॉन्चोस तक, सैम ऑल्टमैन से लेकर सुंदर पिचाई तक, सब प्रेज कर रहे हैं। यहां तक कि शशि थरूर ने भी बोला कि एआई समिट वाज एक्सीलेंट। पर कांग्रेस पार्टी राहुल गांधी के इशारे पर एआई समिट पर शर्टलेस नहीं, कैरेक्टरलेस होकर, ब्रेनलेस होकर और इमोशनलेस होकर, लॉयल्टीलेस होकर भारत का विरोध कर रही है बीजेपी विरोध में। ये कोई बीजेपी का विरोध नहीं है, ये पीएम का विरोध नहीं है, ये भारत की उपलब्धि का विरोध है। और पहली बार नहीं है, यूपीआई में भी यही किया, वैक्सीन के समय पर भी यही किया, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भी सेना का इसी प्रकार से विरोध किया। आज कांग्रेस बीजेपी का विरोध नहीं, देश विरोध में उतर आई है। ये कांग्रेस का एआई है, एंटी इंडिया एजेंडा, एरोगेंट एंड इंसिडियस एजेंडा, अगेंस्ट इंडिया एजेंडा, यही इनका एआई है।
Okay, Harsh joins us live now from Bharat Mandapam. Harsh, coming back to you, have you been able to speak to these cops who had detained these Youth Congress activists? What are they telling you? Okay, Harsh, coming to you, Rashid Alvi of the Congress is joining us over the phone. Rashid Alvi जी, आपने देखा ये तस्वीरें, जो भारत मंडपम से आ रही हैं, यूथ कांग्रेस ने उनको ट्वीट भी किया है। यूथ कांग्रेस कह रही है कि ये रेवोल्यूशन है नरेंद्र मोदी के अगेंस्ट, जबकि एआई समिट तो देश के लिए है, एआई समिट पूरे विश्व के लिए है।
हेलो हेलो
राशिद अल्वी जी, आपको आवाज आ रही है? मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं कि ये यूथ कांग्रेस ने जो किया है एआई समिट पे भारत मंडपम में, क्या आप उसको जस्टिफाई करते हैं? I think I have to go to Harsh because there seems to be an audio problem non-stop with the Congress spokespersons. They really do not want to come out. It seems the Congress spokespersons are uncomfortable with what the Youth Congress has done. If not, they have to come out and defend them, like the Youth Congress has done on their social media handle, posting those pictures. Coming back to Harsh. Harsh, my question was, what are the cops telling you about these Congress activists who have come inside and created those ugly scenes?
Well, right, Abhishek, there is no immediate response as per the information that has been received as per the police personnel present at the site behind me. You could see this is the main mandap where the event is being held, and this is the very place where this ugly protest was held by. Because this is the place where all the international media is present. There are delegations from different countries present at the venue. This is an event of such great importance, not just in India but internationally, and hence it becomes very important for me to also tell you that throughout the time we have been reporting here, one thing that we have observed is that the entry here at the venue is very strict. There are strict protocols. No one is allowed to enter the venue without proper QR codes, and the registration for the same has
कार्यकर्ताओं के द्वारा प्रोटेस्ट किया जाता है। ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी मैं अपने विजन से कहूँगा, दिखाएं ये हॉल है, वही हॉल है जहां पर कांग्रेस द्वारा विरोध प्रदर्शन किया जाता है। और ये लगातार ये देखिए, एक बार दिखा दीजिए कि किस तरीके से इस समिट को लेकर लोगों में किस तरीके से उत्साह है। और लोगों के उत्साह को ये देखिए कि आईवाईसी के कार्यकर्ता इसे ध्वस्त करना चाहते थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर जिस तरीके से जो लोग पहुंचे हुए उनके उत्साह को किसी भी तरीके से गिरा नहीं पाए। और देखिए यहाँ पर ये समिट के अंदर भीड़ किस कदर है, लोग यहाँ पर किस तरीके से नए नवाचार को देखने के लिए पहुंचे हुए हैं। ये तमाम ये जोन देख लीजिए कि किस तरीके से जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी कह रहे हैं कि भारत एआई में आगे अग्रणी बनेगा, इसी जगह पर आईवाईसी के कार्यकर्ता पहुंचते हैं, विरोध प्रदर्शन करते हैं। मेरे विजय लगातार वो तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं। कुछ लोग भी हैं, देखिए किस तरीके से यहाँ भीड़ किस कदर है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पर जिस तरीके से समिट को पूरी तरीके से धूमिल करने के लिए कोशिश की गई कांग्रेस के द्वारा, ये अपने आप में सवालिया निशान खड़ा करता है। और किस तरीके से वो अंदर पहुंचे हैं, ये भी सुरक्षा को लेकर अपने आप में लकुना है। देखिए मेरे वीडियो लगातार देखेंगे, क्या कहेंगे एआई समिट को जिस तरीके से कांग्रेस के द्वारा विरोध प्रदर्शन किया गया, क्या कहेंगे?
ये अपोजिशन है, अपोजिशन में तो विरोध होते रहते हैं,
लेकिन इतने बड़े मंच पर इतना बड़ा कार्यक्रम और यहाँ पर विरोध ठीक है?
नहीं, ये गलत बात है। इंडिया के लिए ठीक नहीं है। सो विरोध नहीं होना चाहिए, आदमी को हेल्प करना चाहिए और आदमी प्रोत्साहन करना चाहिए।
कुछ और भी लोग हैं सर, प्रधानमंत्री इतना बड़ा कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं, विश्व के तमाम नेता पहुंच रहे हैं, फ्रांस से लेकर तमाम देशों के लोग, और यहाँ पर कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता पहुंच जाते हैं, विरोध करते हैं।
कांग्रेस को भाई साहब करना कुछ नहीं है, देश की छवि खराब करनी है और कुछ नहीं करना उनको, बस इतना ही कहूँगा।
अब तो युवाओं के साथ है और कांग्रेस का युवा इकाई प्रदर्शन के लिए पहुंचा।
वो युवा बूढ़ा हो चुका है, वो युवा नहीं है। राहुल गांधी युवा नहीं है, वो बूढ़ा युवा है।
राहुल गांधी का काम ही है कि मोदी जो बोलेंगे उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे और अपोजिट चीज बोलेंगे।